Hi. Well, I was hoping to get some video of putting this lawnmower up on these blocks here, but I had to have my wife help me, and Laura was in a hurry to get over to Mile to go. I think she's going to buy some plants and a few other things. So what I've got to do is change this engine. This engine, you know, I don't remember exactly what happened to it. I think it blew a rod. It's been sitting all winter, and I've been mowing lawn with a push mower, and it's time to do something a little different. So I'm hoping I can get this off here. I think first thing I'm going to need to do is get the deck off of it. Oh, it's a mess. I guess I should have cleaned it up first. This is where it sat all winter. Here's the engine that's going to go in it. This is off an even older lawnmower. But I started it before I took it off the lawnmower, and it started okay, so I think this might work. Just checking to make sure that this thing was working. Okay, let's get started. I think the first thing I want to do is get this deck off. Right there. I don't think I've ever taken this particular one off. I've taken lots of these off, but I don't think I ever took this one off. This one-handed mechanics work looks like it might be a good way to get hurt. I'll let you know. Yep, it's time to do something different. Boy, you could almost leave that on there and just pull the motor off. Well, I think it's ready to take out. I've got the other motor sitting here. So, see if I can pick it up, set it up there with that one, compare the two. I think the difference in the engines, this one's one I just took off is 11 horsepower. That's 11. That's 12 and a half. I remember what happened now. The valve guide came out and it broke in there. It kept coming loose and I kept working on it, trying to stake it and get it in, and eventually it came out and that was the end of it. No more mowing with that mower. Looks like that engine had been changed before. So I think these engines are, though they're not exactly the same, I think they're probably going to be close enough. I don't know about the exhaust. May have a better carburetor on the 11 horse. I might take the carburetor off and put on this one. That we'll see. All right, well, that'll be a job for tomorrow. Got church tonight, it's Wednesday night. So we'll take care of that later. Ciao. Well, got her cleaned up pretty good this morning. So I think it's time to install the new engine.